5 seconds. In support of her claim of bona fide requirement of the demised premises, the landlady, in her deposition as AW1, has categorically stated that the tenant had shifted his residence from the demised premises finally to a new residence consisting of two rooms located at the backside of his dhaba AW5. The mother of the landlady corroborated her testimony. The rent controller and the appellate authority rejected the claim of requirements of the premises in dispute made by the landlady on flimsy and intangible ground, holding that the landlady was residing at Mohali, the place of her posting as a teacher in education board. It was the specific case of the landlady that she is fact was residing at Mohali in one room because of her employment as a government servant, and occasionally she used to visit Ludhiana to look after her mother. It was established by the landlady that had she got the possession of the demised premises from the tenant when he had shifted to his new residence located at the backside of the dhaba, she could have immediately occupied the premises and started living along with her old mother therein. It is her evidence that had she got the vacant possession of the demised premises, she would have commuted from Ludhiana to Chandigarh to attend her official duties, as the distance between these two places is neither far off nor time consuming. The tenant could not rebut and controvert the acceptable evidence of the landlady on any material aspect. On the contrary, it finds stated in paragraph 10 of the order of the rent controller that the tenant and his brothers, who appeared as RW7 and RW8 respectively, have admitted the said statement of landlady. The recent rent controller and the appellate authority rejected the claim of the landlady of the point on bona fide requirement on the other ground, holding that the mother of the landlady is the owner of one more house at Ludhiana, which was in occupation of the brother of the mother of the landlady, and the house could be shared by the landlady and her mother. During the course of the hearing of this appeal, the landlady has admitted before this court that she has since retired from the government service, and presently she is residing with her sister at Chandigarh, and now she intends to reside in her own house at Ludhiana. It has been proved by the landlady that her mother, being an old woman, has to be looked after by her in her house at Ludhiana. The evidence led by the landlady clearly proves that the tenant had stopped living in the demised premises, and, as noticed above, he had shifted to his new residence located at the back of his dhaba. The landlady categorically stated in her statement that a house owned by her parents located is unfit and unsafe for habitation of landlady and her aged ailing mother.